Hello everyone. I am so excited for this assignment. This is your final exam, which I have turned into a project because I think it will be more fun and I wanted to give you more time to complete it. And I also think it'll be more useful to you because you can hopefully have something to put in your portfolio. So the purpose of this assignment is to demonstrate your skills in the RACE method, including the research, action plan, communication tactics, and evaluation, to experience a real-world scenario of compiling a proposal for a client and to build your own portfolio. So in this case, you are a public relations account manager for R&R Partners, and your client is Nevada State College. So NSC is currently building its first dormitory on its Henderson campus to open fall 2020. NSC has requested a proposal from your team at R&R Partners to develop a public relations campaign that will promote its new dormitory to its target audience. NSC would like the campaign to run from August to December 2019. So your task, what is your task? So as the managers of this account, your team must create a proposal for this client. You will present your proposal to the client on Thursday, March 9th, 2019. You can work alone or in groups up to 3 people. So here's some information you should know as you do your proposal. The housing is going to be a 330-bed facility. A double room will cost $2,800 a semester, $5,400 for the academic year. And you can read the cost of the single room. A small number of 2-bedroom apartments will be available for married students and those with children. The campus is going to add 3 new eateries, including a 24-hour convenience store, and NSC has a budget of $100,000 for this campaign, okay? So what is your written plan going to include? Well, you want to give your client a clear vision of the campaign and what to expect. So at a minimum, the campaign should identify the stakeholders and the target publics of the campaign, specify the campaign's objectives and goals, identify what type of research you would conduct prior to the campaign design, and then present your communication strategies. Now, you'll be a bit creative here because you haven't actually done the research, but based on the research results, let's just say, what would your communication strategies be? Be as specific as possible. So if you're going to get earned media placements, what shows are you targeting and how many? If you're going to use social media, what exactly will the social media campaign look like? What sites will be used and why? If you will plan events, who will be involved and how will you promote? Present a timeline of implementation. What communication strategies will be done when? And then state how you will evaluate and measure the campaign's success. What metrics will you use? So throughout your plan, please be as specific and detailed as possible. This plan requires you to be creative while applying many of the research and communication strategies you learned from the case studies during the semester. Although a specific length is not required, it is recommended to keep your proposal between 4 to 7 pages double-spaced. Okay, now for the grading. So I'm most interested in your application of ideas learned from this semester. So I want you to spend most of the time getting your ideas on the proposal. That said, I still want you to pay attention at the end to your grammar and your language, okay? So that is going to count, but I'm putting a lot of weight on the content because I really want to see what your ideas are, okay? So you can read through the content rubrics, the bullet points here, and then for the professionalism / language part, I just want you to have clear and concise language. I want it to be well formatted. Please check over for grammar and so forth. So I hope that you'll produce something that you can be proud of and even including your portfolio. Please don't hesitate to ask me questions. I am available to help.